Good morning, class 6 students. Students, today we are going to revise history, chapter number 2, and the name of the chapter is On the Trial of the Earliest People. Students, let's start with the question answers. First is complete the sentences. A. Hunter gatherers choose to live in the cave and rocks shelter because students they provide shelter because they provide shelter from rain, heat and winds, because they live in the caves because they provide the shelters from rain, heat and wind. B. Grassland developed around dash years ago, 12,000 years ago. C. Early people painted on the wall dash of the caves. They used to paint the walls of the cave. In Hungary, tools were made up of stone. That time previously, early people used to make stone from tools from the stone. 2. Look at the present day political map of the subcontinent on page number 136. Find out the state where the Bhimbetka and Hungary and Kurnool are located. Would the Shah train be passed near any of these sites? Students, in the present political map, Bhimbetka is the Madhya Pradesh, today's Madhya Pradesh. Hungary is Karnataka and Kurnool is Andhra Pradesh, according to present day political map. Now students, we are on question number 3. Why did the hunter-gatherers travel from place to place? In what way are they similar to different from the reason for which we travel today? Students, they are asking the questions why the hunter-gatherers travel from places to places. Why the hunters-gatherers used to move from one place to the another, and how it is. In what way are these similar or different from the reason for which we travel today? How it is different and similar, the way in which we travel? Students, the answer is the hunter-gatherers travel from place to place in search of, they used to move from one place to another in search of plants and animal resources. When had exhausted at one places, when one place the plants and animal has been exhausted, they move to the smaller another place. In case of deers and wild cattle in search of grass and leaves, therefore those who hunted them had to follow their movement, because in that time the people used to catch the small prey such as deers and wild cattle, and that they, as the animal do the movement, the people also has to do the movement to caught them. And plants and trees bear fruit in different seasons, so people may have moved from the season to season in search of different kinds of plants. Next question we have, how it is different. People living in the bank of the rivers, lakes, which was seasonal, would have to move in search of water during the dry season. And how it is different from today's people. People may have traveled on foot to meet their friends and relatives. In search of job. Also, we travel to interesting places like business to meet friends and relatives. Clear, students? Question number 4. What tools would you use today for cutting fruits? What would they be made of? Students, nowadays we use knife for cutting fruits. You know that we use knife for cutting fruits, and it would be made of stainless steel. List 3 ways in which hunter-gatherers use fire. Would you use fire for any of these purposes today? Students, the hunter-gatherers use fire for cook food, to scare the animals, and that fire was also a source of light. We use fire for cooking food today. Clear, students? Next one. So students, this complete your discussion of question answers of chapter 2. Student, please learn these answers. It's very easy. Learn this chapter by heart. Thank you, students.